Abu Bakr Siddiq is known as Abu Bakr Siddiq because Siddiq is a title that was given to him. That was his laqab, right? And this title was given to him because of his sidq, because of his truthfulness, and truthfulness of the firm belief that he had in Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam being the righteous Nabi of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. When Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam went on the Mi'raj and he came back and he started telling people that I have had Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala took me from here to Palestine, and from there from Baitul Muqaddas all the way up to 7 heavens and back, all in the same night. And so people started laughing at him, that, as they would say these days, that what are you on? We want to be on the same thing now, Zubillah, because how are you saying something like this, that there's a possibility of somebody traveling all this distance and then also going to all the way to the heavens and come back all in one night. So one of the mushrikeen, he heard Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he laughed at it, and then he was going somewhere and he came across Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala anhu. And Abu Bakr Siddiq had not met Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam by this time, and he had not known that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is mentioning any such thing. So he said that, look, your sahib, do you know what is he saying? He said, what is he saying? He says, their sahib is saying that last night, within few hours, he went all the way to Baitul Muqaddas, and from Baitul Muqaddas he went all the way to the 7 heavens and came back. After listening to this, you are a wise person, you are a respected person in our community, you are an elder in our community. Would you say that you still believe in what this ridiculous thing is being said? So Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala anhu said, is Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam saying this? The person said, of course he's saying this. He said, if he is saying this, then it is truth. Without confirming that is this being said by Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, without having any verification or anything, he simply said that if Rasulullah is saying this, then this is truth. And based on this support that he showed to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, based on his firm belief that he showed in the truthness of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he got the title Siddiq himself, right? وَالَّذِي جَاءَ بِصِدْقِ وَصَدَّقَ بِهِ. This is what fits him.